Project Navarasa is a multilingual variant of Google's large language model LLM family Gemma specifically designed for Indic languages. It was highlighted at Google I/O 2024 as a successful application of Gemma's capabilities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Project Navarasa represents a significant step towards making AI technology more inclusive and accessible to users across India and beyond. It focuses on enhancing artificial intelligence capabilities with a particular emphasis on emotional intelligence and nuanced understanding of human expressions. India is in for the another platform shift, an artificial intelligence platform shift. This project aims to integrate advanced AI models that can comprehend and respond to the nine essential human emotions, or Navarasa, derived from classical Indian aesthetics. These emotions include love, laughter, sorrow, anger, energy, fear, disgust, surprise, and peace. Navarasa is designed to be incorporated into various Google platforms and products to improve user interactions, making them more empathic and human like. Unlike earlier LLMs focused on English, Project Navarasa caters to the needs of speakers of Indic languages including Hindi, Telugu, Bengali, and more, potentially 15 in total. The project aims to bridge the language gap by enabling AI powered conversations and responses in native Indic languages. It involves significant advancements in natural language processing and machine learning to recognize and appropriately respond to emotional cues in text, voice, and possibly visual inputs. Secondly, when technology resonates with a culture, it grasps the intricacies of diverse nations like India. This can enhance user experiences across Google's ecosystem from customer support and virtual assistants to educational tools and content recommendation systems. Moreover, the project reflects a broader trend at Google I/O 2024 where AI and machine learning took center stage, with several announcements focusing on how these technologies can be leveraged to build more intuitive, intelligent, and responsive applications. Let's look into today's headlines. Vodafone Idea plans to roll out 5G around Diwali. According to Vodafone Idea's CEO Akshay Mundra, the company plans to begin its 5G deployment in about 6 months with a goal of starting around Diwali on November 1st. Key cities and regions with a significant concentration of devices will be given priority during the rollout. As part of its 5G deployment plan, VI is now performing advanced trials for both vRAN and Open RAN technologies. X redesigned communities to improve user interaction and networking. In an effort to improve user networking around relevant issues, X has upgraded its communities function. To connect more users, the redesign incorporates enhanced sorting, search, and recommendation features. In addition to the main Explore section, users can now find postings from popular communities directly in a dedicated Explore page. DOT to start a pilot program to detect robocalls. The Department of Telecommunications is planning to launch a pilot program shortly in response to telecom regulators' final recommendations for the rollout of caller name display on mobile phones. The outcome of the pilot will guide the final implementations, which will determine whether to implement CNAP on the network layer or the physical layer. CNAP is thought to be a means of reducing spam calls. HPE uses AI and software defined storage to create advanced data management solutions. With the announcement of significant updates to its HPE GreenLake cloud platform, Hewlett Packard Enterprise is better positioned to compete in the quickly expanding data management and hybrid cloud markets. These developments are intended to streamline workload optimization, data management, and enterprise storage in both on premises and public cloud contexts. Cars 24 Zerodha and 10 more unicorns decide to join ONDC. 12 unicorns have decided to join the Open Network for Digital Commerce ONDC. Zerodha and Cars 24 are among the companies that made this commitment. The government backed project seeks to use platforms with sizable captive audiences to spark growth. 12 unicorns, including Ease My Team, Of Business, Winzo, Lifespace, Global Bees, Pristine K, Chaos 24, Physics Wala, Policy Bazaar, and Zerodha have reportedly signed a letter of intent to join the ONDC, according to the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.